Hey guys, this is Venkat for venkatfin.com. Many people living abroad when they are on-site or NRIs or even guys working in IT organizations or corporate India used to call me and they will be calling me at a point where I can never give them a proper solution or help them to take a proper health insurance policy for their parents or themselves. Because as long as your parents or you are healthy, you can always take a individual health insurance policy or a family floater. But the moment you or your parents get some kind of pre-existing diseases, there are chances you will get a loading fee, or there are chances that you will get your policy might get a rejection. So that is a humble request. Please spread this message. Give a like to this video, because I want to create this awareness among corporate employees or people in any private sector across India. Please take an individual family floater health insurance on top of your corporate, the group health insurance offered as an employee benefit in your company. A small introduction. This is Venkat for venkatfin.com. I do genuine consulting with no spam policy. Whenever you are taking a pure term insurance or health insurance policy, or it could be even retirement planning, message me any time of the day or call me at 9384716268. Once again, a humble request. I work based on a consulting fee. I charge a very small consulting fee. So ask how much is the consulting fee, and if you are happy with that, please proceed. Okay, I have wrote this article on venkatfin.com. Do not completely depend on group health insurance offered by your company, and what are the advantages in that. So this presentation is basically made to explain very, very clearly, Okay, the goal is not business. The goal is to ensure you get this awareness, because people call me when I cannot give them any solution after they get any kind of pre-existing diseases. Excuse me. Why you need a family floater health insurance? My number is floating on top. Anytime you can message me. A group health insurance example. Okay, here we are going to take a see example. Let's imagine an IT employee who is 30 years old. He or she is getting a employee benefit from her company. So imagine let it be the coverage is for 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs, sum assured, and they are saying that it is going to cover your family, husband, wife, children, also your parents will be covered by that. Okay. Now let's see this. I found this image cute, lady with fractured leg. So anyway, you will be fine. But let's imagine, we are just taking as example. Let's say an employee, she or he meets with a small accident. Anyway, it's remote work these days, so they met with a kind of a fracture, an accident, and got fractured their leg. And the group health insurance, your HR is helping you. It is giving you 100% claim, and this is where you start to get impressed with the group health insurance policy. It will certainly work. I'm not asking you to cancel it. I'm asking you to maintain it. Okay. Incident number 2, your father will be fine, but let's imagine some employee's father, he gets some heartache, and they say that they suggest a surgery. And once again, your father, the policyholders, the employee's father goes through the surgery, heart surgery, and they get 100% claim from the group health insurance. Impression number 2, you feel happy. This is where the problem starts. As long as you have only fracture in your leg or in your hand, any point of time in future, if you want to take a individual health insurance family or a health insurance or a family for health insurance, you will get it issued. But what if the injury is in your head? As long as your father has only this heart issue, there are chances you still can get a kind of health insurance policy for your father. But that won't be comprehensive. So what I'm telling you, a group health insurance will work. When an incident happens, after that, you are losing the possibility of getting a individual premium health insurance product, which is completely comprehensive. You understood what I'm saying? Let's imagine your father is going to live until 85 or 90, even 100 years old. He has gone through kind of a heartache or whatever it is when he is 40s, 50s, or 60s, when your group health insurance has covered it. But now, if his health complication has increased, you will never be able to get an individual health insurance policy for him. Now, did you understand? You can always use the group health insurance, but why not take a family floater health insurance for your parents separately and for your family separately, so that you can always renew it. Nobody can deny the issuing the insurance policy. Are you going to spend your own money until he's 80, 85 whenever there's hospitalization? Certainly you can. But what is the objective of health insurance? When there is a huge expenses, you are going to push that risk to the health insurance company. Now you are freezing that possibility. Okay, even if you take an individual health insurance policy, I will educate everything to my customers. In cashless, how much issues will be there? There is always a theory of probability which is getting applied in your even when you're taking a premium individual health insurance policy. Here again, if you or your parents are healthy, even when you're 60, you can take a individual health insurance policy. There is no problem. But are you going to be healthy even without a diabetes or BP when you're 60 or 50? Can you give me that guarantee? That is the question here. So group health insurance terminates when you switch job. Let's say you are working in a company even for 15 years. At one point of time, there is an issue in the company, they want you to go. At that time, when you are going to the new company, they will say, see, in our company, we will cover your family, but not your parents. So at that time, you will be running here and that, doing research. And at that time, your parents will be very old. They might have some health complications. You might get rejected, or there will be more loading fee. So challenges in getting the new health insurance policy is that as long as there is a small health issue, you can always get it. But what if there is a small issue like diabetes or BP? You still can get, but they will ask you to send the test report. They will see the average. So only based on that, they will either put a loading fee or issue the, or reject it also. So be very, very careful about it. What is the solution? If you are earning decently, if you are earning below 25,000-30,000 rupees a month, I will never force you, because that is a bracket. Many freshers are earning very little these days. Even experienced people in some sectors, they are earning very less. But if you are in a corporate India, if you're earning more than 40,000-50,000 a month, you should have a family floater health insurance exclusive for husband, wife, children, your family, and another policy for your parents. That is the solution. I'm not asking you to reject your group health insurance. As long as it is cheap, maintain that. A group health insurance mostly should be 1,000, 2,000 rupees per year or 5,000 rupees per year. I will never say it's bad. It's maintain that. But it is strange. Some people are telling me my company is charging me 8,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees. Why should you buy an exclusive, this kind of health insurance, expensive health insurance from your company? You can take responsibility of yourself. So in those situations alone, make sure you get a group health insurance which is affordable from the company, and you take an exclusive health insurance for yourself and your parents. That is it. Please comment or like or share with your friends. This will be really helpful. Term insurance and savings plan, I will be really enjoying to do these kind of projects for you. That is it, guys. If you need genuine consulting when you are doing for any kind of financial consulting, if you are taking a new term insurance policy or health insurance or retirement planning, I'll be happy to guide you. Once again, a humble request, ask me how much is the consulting fee. If you're happy with that, please proceed with that. Message me any time of the day at 9384716268. Thank you so much. This video once again is made to create awareness, and that is the reason I'm requesting you to share it with your friends. Thank you so much. This is Venkat for venkatman.com.